Let's start with one of the most modern Russian T-90A tanks. It feels great in the service of the 5th Separate Assault Regiment of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. Why did you kill him? A mother who just lost her son in Dnipro, while cursing Russians for several generations. As I said, there won't be peace with Putin Russia. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever.
Негодяи, я вас проклинаю до 7-го поколения. Пусть вы, собаки, всю жизнь прокляты всеми людьми. И вновь тоже прокляты, и всеми материнскими слезами. Будьте вы прокляты на всю страну. Господи,
This Russian unit tried to shoot the drone above them. Guess what happened? And this is intense. Pro-Ukrainian Chechen soldiers of the Dudayev Battalion in the battles for Bakhmut.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.